What's the meaning of bitty? Bitty. Bitty.
Bitty. Bitty. The word bitty is an adjective that has a variety of meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, it is used to describe something that is small or insignificant. For example, one might use the term bitty to refer to small pieces of food, or to describe a tiny cramped space. It can also be used to describe things that are fragmented or incomplete, such as a bitty conversation that jumps from topic to topic without fully exploring any one idea. Essentially, bitty is a versatile and slightly informal term that can be used in a wide range of situations to convey a sense of smallness or insignificance.